everyone. My name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT. Today, we are going to learn about knowledge representation in artificial intelligence. Knowledge representation, we can say in AI what to represent, and knowledge representation in AI refers to the method used to encode or to begin the information about the word into a format that AI system can understand and use to make the decisions. And the most important ingredient for developing an AI, that is knowledge representation. A representation is a layer between information between accessible from outside world and high level thinking processes. Without knowledge representation, it is impossible to identify what thinking processes are. It itself is a substream and for a thought. Here, we can say that it is a crucial component of AI that bridges the gap between raw data and meaningful reasoning by representing knowledge in a structured way. We can also say AI systems can interpret the data, draw interfaces, and apply reasoning techniques to solve the problems. In a very simple terms, if I say what is knowledge representation, it provides AI with the knowledge it needs to act intelligently into various applications. This include facts, rules, objects, and relationship between the entities. Let's continue. The need of knowledge representation was felt as early as the idea to develop the intelligent systems, with the hope that readers as well as conversant with the fact by now that intelligent requires possession of knowledge and that knowledge is acquired by us by various means and stored in the memory using some representation techniques. Putting it another way, knowledge representation is one of the many critical aspects which required for making a computer behave intelligently. Knowledge representation refers to the data structure techniques and organizing notations that are used in AI. This is the basic diagram where the perception goes to learning and knowledge representation. Knowledge representation vice versa to the reasoning, and then reasoning phase go into the planning, then execution. What are the properties of knowledge representation? Representational adequacy, it means that it is ability to represent the required knowledge. Inferential adequacy, that is, it is the ability to manipulate the knowledge represented to produce new knowledge corresponding to that inferred from the original. Then inferential efficiency, that is, it is the ability to direct the inferential mechanisms where we can say that we can store the appropriate guides or information in a specific moment. And acquisitional efficiency, it is the ability where the new knowledge or we can say any new updation using the automatic methods wherever possible rather than any human intervention. Let's also discuss the syntax and semantics for the knowledge representation. In the knowledge representation languages should precise syntax and semantics, you must know exactly what an expression means in terms of objects in the real world. Suppose we have decided that red 1 refers to the dark red color, car 1 is my car 2 is another. So the syntax of the language will tell you Which of the following is legal? That means red one or car one. Red one, car one. It's like different ways it is being written over here. So syntax language tell you exactly what expression means. This is it for knowledge representation. So for example, here a real word which is like representing in the facts in the word, that is also one which is interference with the new computer and new conclusions, then it map back. This is a diagram basically. So this is the knowledge syntax, knowledge representation in the form of syntax and semantics. This is it for knowledge representation. If you like our video, do like and subscribe our channel.